Hi, my name is Sonia, and I'd like to talk to you about some great workshops that will be happening in your community this spring through the Yamaska Literacy Council's Family Literacy Program. Yes, you can. Yes, you can is a series of 5 early literacy workshops where families connect through stories, movement, breathing, and senses-based learning activities. Your child will be calmer, happier, and more successful with the tips and tricks that you'll learn at these workshops. Plus, you get a kit bag with a free book, some craft materials, and all kinds of good resources. This is for parents with kids aged 0 to 5 years old. And we also have some parent workshops coming up. And the parent workshops are great because they will give parents with children aged 0 to 5 years old some skills when dealing with the topics of anxiety and emotions, with being ready for school, transitions, and also stress management through breathing and movement. So it's all really good stuff here. And the best part, it's free. So if you would like to participate in any of these workshops, then please register by calling the Yamaska Literacy Council at 450-263-7503, or you can email us at info@yamaskaliteracy.ca. We're really looking forward to seeing you this spring.